Hi besties. So today's recipe is gonna be very easy and fast, okay? This is one of my secret okra recipes. Guys, just trust me. It is my secret because it doesn't take time, and above all, it tastes so nice. This is not a regular okra stew recipe. Let's get started. So I'll start by pouring all these vegetables into my blender, okay? So garlic, onion, pepper, ginger, and then I will gently chop it to my desired preference. All right. So after chopping, I'm gonna go ahead and then pour it onto my bowl or my plate, and then I'll go in with my okra. As for the okra, you can just use your hands to just cut it anyhow you want, but I prefer it this way because it is easier. I call this recipe lazy man's recipe. Yes, lazy man's okra recipe. So you're not gonna waste much time doing a lot of things, okay? So after chopping the adame, this is my already seasoning tilapia. I did it overnight, and guys, just trust me, it smells so amazing. And then I poured my red oil or palm oil onto my pot, added my sliced onion, and then I added my tomato mix. Okay, so at this point you're gonna lower your stove, all right, and then add your seasoning or your spices and stir, cover it, and then let it cook for a while, and then come back and add your protein. So I added my tilapia, as you guys are seeing, and then I made sure the stove is well lowered, or the stove is lowered, because I just don't want any burns here at all. Okay, so just trust me, this tilapia smells so nice, it smells so amazing and yummy. So guys, I didn't add salt because I added shrimp cube, and then I already have salt in my seasoning tilapia, so I just don't want any wahala. So guys, that's it. You don't waste time preparing this recipe, and it's nice, easy, delicious, and everything some. Okay, so please subscribe, like, share for me. All right, so if today is your first time seeing this post, please don't go away. This is an amazing family you don't want to miss. Like, share, and subscribe. You're welcome if it's your first time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye.